What up, guys? Hey, welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the Hilderbrand Lifestyle Channel. I'm here in Thailand. Again, this is my personally designed t-shirt that I continue to wear and promote throughout my videos as a designer and an artist. I'm here at the Pattaya Beach in Thailand, in Pattaya, Thailand. And it's a nice day today here on the beach. So, yeah, just wanted to take a walk and talk, you know. I'm enjoying my time here in Thailand. It's a very relaxing place. There was some recent news here in Thailand that as of July 15th, if you are coming to Thailand, they've extended the stay from, originally it was 30 days, now it's 60 days upon entry. So if you come in here to Thailand, you would get an initial 60 days to chill out, you know? And then you can do a border run and extend it for another 60 days. So, you know, 2 border runs will get you quite a bit of time here. If you enjoy the beach, you know, palm trees, nice people, nice vibes, it's a place to be, you know. I came here, you know, I travel the world. I've been to several different countries. Again, you can go to my website and see all the different t-shirts I designed from all the different countries that I've been fortunate enough to visit for an extensive period of time. And I think you guys will enjoy that. But the stories that I have from being able to travel to all these different places, man, it's just amazing, you know. It's just amazing. And Thailand is definitely at the top of my list of definitely places to be, especially Pattaya. So, walking past one of these jet skis, I see, like, every morning people having fun on those jet skis. I'm like, wow, you know. Yeah, so just walking along the beach, enjoying the day. Right now it's rainy season, so you may see in the video a bit of an overcast, which I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying the rainy season a bit because during the high season, when it's really hot, like, it's very difficult to walk on this beach because the sun is rough. I mean, it's pretty harsh. Guys are coming in now on the jet skis, rolling in. They got the people on the back of these banana boats holding on. I mean, it looks like a lot of fun, but I have no interest in getting on one of those things and let somebody drag me around the water. But to each his own. Everybody do whatever makes you happy, you know? That's what life's about, enjoyment. Enjoying life as much as possible. Keeping that good positive energy, you know? That's what it's about. And yeah, so I talk a lot about art and design and traveling on this channel. And I do that because I'm an artist and also a designer. And that's what has allowed me to travel the world, experience so many different things because of my talent of being able to draw and paint and also problem solve from an interactive design point of view. So I've created a lot of different apps for a lot of major corporations. Well, I wouldn't say created, but I helped. I played a major role in cultivating a lot of the culture and a lot of the applications that are still being used today. Previously, I used to also be an art director and made several different commercials throughout my career. But I tell you, the best thing ever was not so much of being able to just do that, the people I've met along the way. the artists, the thinkers, and the people behind a lot of the things that, you know, never get credit. You never hear about them too much, and that's okay. But some of the most amazing people with some of the most amazing mindsets, you know, just the thinking process of creating something that's actually going to help someone, you know, get through a process or make a purchase or just make their life easier, you know, just make their life a little bit easier, a little bit more bearable, a little bit more convenient. One of the best applications I ever helped create was for Baxter Healthcare. It was an application for hemophilia, people that have blood disease. And you know, it didn't pay the most money, but the application helped save a lot of lives, you know. And the feedback that I got from some of the parents and just the people that were involved with dealing with people with that blood disease, how thankful they were, you know, just to have something that would help them cope or just get through that process was more rewarding than any amount of money that I could have ever been paid, right? Because it kept their loved ones alive, right? It helped them stay, man, in this race of life, you know, which can be very difficult. By all means, don't get me wrong. Like, you know, life can be very hard. Not everyone is fortunate enough, you know, to do the things they love and you know, just enjoy life just based upon their talents alone. Before I even got to that point where I could, you know, live off my design skill sets or talents, you know, I had to do some things I didn't really enjoy, you know. I worked as a fueler for United Airlines in Chicago in the depths of cold, you know, for like $7 an hour. And that's something I had to do. I had to get through it, you know. That's life. But I just learned so much, and from just those experiences, a lot of people wouldn't care to admit that, or shame it or shun it, but I don't. I mean, it helped cultivate my character and make me who I am today, and I'm so grateful and I appreciate that I get the opportunity to do what I do, right, as opposed to just taking it for granted. I mean, that's why I post, that's why I share this information. I try to, or these experiences, what I really try to do with this is I try to inspire people that may not think they can do this, or it's just not possible for whatever reason, right? They may feel that their backs are against the wall and there's just no way, you know, there's no way out. But I'm living proof that, you know, if you stick to it, you stay consistent, you work hard, you can travel the world, go places, see things and experience life with people you never thought were possible. It's just a matter of staying focused and remaining positive. Yeah, I mean, if you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win every time. It's not always easy, but I've found that, you know, just bearing through a lot of things has allowed me to, I call it perseverance, you know, just being able to persevere and continue to focus on, I guess what you call the impossible, but it's not impossible. It's only impossible when it's never been done. But once it's done, you know, yeah, difficult takes a day, impossible takes a week, right? Quote from Jay-Z. Yeah. So I mean, just stay focused, you know. Don't let life get you down. I know we all go through our ups and downs. That's a part of living, it's part of life. But today I'm here in Thailand, enjoying this walk on the beach, sharing this with you guys, and trying to encourage someone that may be feeling a bit discouraged, right? Just trying to share some words of inspiration. So I hope you guys enjoyed taking this walk with me. As much as I enjoy sharing it with you, right? And I'll continue to do that, and also share more art, share more galleries, design, and places to eat, good eating, healthy eating, and all that good stuff, all that stuff that helps make life better for us all, right? So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to close out with that. And yeah, man, I'm kind of sweating. Again, this is the rainy season and I'm still sweating, you know. It's still hot out here in Thailand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour on Pattaya City Beach here in Pattaya, Thailand. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, please feel free to purchase the Hilderbrand Lifestyle Thailand t-shirt, or any of the out of the 50 different t-shirt designs I have from all the different countries that I visited, countries, cities, all around the world. Yeah, until next time, guys, peace, love, and everything. All right, and I'm out. Hilderbrand Lifestyle.